Okay, so Kepos on fret number 1, and that was your verse. My strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And because this is kind of like a calm, solemn song, you might want to strum it with your thumb instead of your index finger. Right, so I was in heaven, G, E minor, and then C, okay, so that part for me is a C, E minor, D. Alright, but here's how I'm playing it. C is 5, 4, 3, 2, and then E minor is 6, 4, 3, 2, and then D is 2, open, open, 2, and I'm plucking strings 6, 4, and 3. So that's I wish that heaven, I wish that heaven, G, and it is in hours, E minor, na 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 na, C, and then we go. Alright, there we go. And the chords that I'm playing are add 9 chords, which I think for G would be a suspended 2. Yeah. The basic idea is I am holding on my strings 1 and 2, I am holding 3rd fret. So G, and then E minor, but you maintain those 2 and 3 strings. Except for this part, you can shift on that one. But for the other chords, you have to maintain that 3 and 2. It's more like an advanced intermediate technique. Beginners, you can just play the chords as basic as they come, but yeah, it's good to learn, you know, because you don't want to be a beginner your whole life. Alright, so C, this is now pre-chorus, G, D, C, again this is the 3rd time, to D, G, D, and then just G, and then we're back into 2nd verse, E minor, C, and then that's pre-chorus, C, G, and then D, G, and then D again, C. Okay, so here, for the beginner, I'm playing the na 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 is to G. Okay, so I'm stretching the C, stretching the D, and then I go to G, and then I'm back to D, and you move into the which is just G, C, and then G. Alright, and then let's see if we have a bridge. Okay, so the chords seem to be the same. so now for the advanced player, I'm gonna give you the chords for that. Na na na. Okay, so that's so for that there's that part where I think it's the third time where the chords just change into like a bunch of minors, and the progression goes this part. Okay, so so that's C, and that's E minor, and then this is, I don't know what chord this is, and then, sorry, I don't know what chord this is, but you're holding fret number 5 and holding an A minor in front of that, so, and then down here you hold an A minor, and on fret number 4 you bar, and then you hold an A minor in front of that. So this should be a if this is C, this should be a D of some sort. I don't know, D major 7, D minor, D suspended, I don't know. And this should be a C sharp, right? And then